We're going to take the 4 top gun disarms and test them 4 different times. I'm on a mission, and that mission is to truly find a practical gun disarming system in any kind of intense situation. Now, are these gun disarms 100% bullshito? Or are there gun disarms that can actually save your life? Now, over the last 30 years, I've been training everybody from law enforcement to secret government agencies to military to even civilians on self-defense. These people have been in real-life altercations where they've had to use a real gun disarm to save their lives. But in the self-defense community, the road is split. Some people believe that there is 0 chance in pulling off a gun disarms, while others would swear by it.
You want to move the gun this way or you want to move the gun that way. Unfortunately, depending on your scenario, that can blow up in your face or blow up in someone's face that you love.
Now, I'm literally putting my reputation on the line because even if I do find one that works, I know that I'm going to get a lot of hate mail on it. Because on a whole, it's not viewed as a generally practical thing that you could really do in real life.
Hey, punk!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
What the? Get down, boy! It's all bullshit.
Okay.
Right?
It was time to get started. I ordered a powerful paintball gun. Obviously, this is not a real gun. We are using CO2-powered paintball guns, which is right here. Here are obviously all the rounds that we're using. And then last but not least, we always are wearing as much headgear as possible, including eye protection. So you'll see me not only wearing a helmet, but also wearing eye protection under that, because we always want to be safe. I first did a frontal gun disarm. I was lucky enough to clear all 4 shots. But was it really luck? Then I did a side disarm on my left side, which is my weak side. I was able to clear all 4 rounds again, which made me feel pretty good by this point. So then I flipped the attacker over to the other side and tried 4 rounds from that side. And once again, I was able to clear and disarm all 4 attempts. The last disarm was to be performed when someone was behind you sticking a gun right at your head. And this was probably the most scariest situation that I've been in as far as training goes. And all I had to do was to pull it off 4 times, which I did successfully. Now notice I did a little peek every single time, just to know if the person was holding me up with their right hand or their left hand. This helped me decide what angle or what way I was going to turn to perform the disarm. Once again, at this angle, I was able to clear all 4 attempts, all 4 shots. Now, please understand, I've been doing this for 30 years, and I was able to clear all 16 attempts. Remember, we had 4 different angles, and we had 4 shots or 4 attempts from each of those angles. If someone is brand new, they probably won't be able to do it as smoothly as I did it, just because I've had the mental and emotional kind of reps to get through all the physical technique in order to perform each and every disarm. Now, if this was 29 years ago, and it was back when I first started, I can almost guarantee that I would have been shot several times. I would say probably at least 75% of the time. The bottom line is, this was a very scary situation where you had paintballs coming out at a very, very fast rate out of even a training gun. This is something that got my adrenaline going. But the goal that I want everybody to really accomplish is make sure they put in the practice time. Practice time will give you success. Now, if you'd like to see how I actually perform these, make sure you check out the link in the description for more information.